Hello, young explorers. Welcome to Climate Frontline, the show where we uncover the secrets of weather, rain, and growing amazing things. I'm your host, Collison Laurie, and guess what? Today's episode is all about
Oh, it's raining!
getting ready for the rainy season. Ho ho! But wait, what does that even mean? Why should we care if it's going to rain soon? Well, grab your imaginary rain boots because we are about to find out. Now, close your eyes for a second. Imagine you are a tiny seed buried in the soil. It is quiet. You're just waiting. Then, pitter, patter, raindrops start falling. Suddenly, you burst to life, pushing up through the dirt, reaching for the sun. That, my friends, is the magic of the rainy season. In Eastern Africa, we have two super important rainy seasons. The long rains, March to May, and the short rains, October to December. But how do we know when they are coming? That's where the weather forecast swoops like a superhero. Now, I know what you're thinking. Weather forecasts sound boring. But hold on. What if I told you they're like a secret message from the sky? Messages that tell us, hey kids, grab your seeds. The rain's coming in 5 days. Or, wow, maybe wait a little longer. It's gonna be extra dry this week. So, how do we read these sky messages? Easy. Meteorologists, also known as weather scientists, use fancy tools and sometimes even satellites to predict when and where rain will fall. Then they share it on radio, TV, or even apps. Your job? Listen up. For example, if the forecast says heavy rains expected next week, that's your cue to prep your garden, pots, or even that old bucket you've been saving. Here's a fun mission. After this episode, ask a grown up to help you check this week's weather forecast. Is the rain coming? Great! Find a small space, a pot, a sack, or a corner of your backyard and plant just one seed. Beans, maize, sukuma wiki. Then watch how the rain helps it grow. Boom! You are now a climate frontliner. Remember, team, rainy seasons are like nature's alarm clock. They tell farmers when to plant, animals when to roam, and you when to grab your tools and grow something awesome. So stay curious, keep listening to those sky messages, and get ready because next time we'll talk about choosing the perfect seeds. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to share what your planting plans are with us. Will you grow flowers? Vegetables? A secret jungle? Tell us next time on Climate Frontlines. This is Collison Laurie signing out.